how to add add-ons and coupons to your Acuity scheduling. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can do this. Now, basically, add-ons and coupons are going to help out your scheduling business. Add-ons are obviously going to be things that can be added when a specific individual books an appointment. They can also select add-ons to it with either extra, charge or extra time as well. So you can actually set those up for each appointment type that you have. And also we have the coupons, which are pretty much discounts to encourage people to work with you and book you. So how do we actually do so? The first thing is that we want to make sure we go to our Acuity scheduling, obviously, and then we just want to scroll down until you find business settings. From business settings, you just want to go ahead and click on appointment types. And here you can actually see types, add-ons, and coupons. Now, in order for this to work, you actually do need to have some actual appointment types for this to work. Well, at least for the add-ons, because you would want to select the actual type you want to add the add-ons to, if that makes sense. So just go ahead and create your appointment types first, and then we can just move on to the add-ons. So let's just go ahead and pretend that you did already do this, and you did create your appointment types. So now to move on to the actual add-ons, you just want to, again, go to appointment types and click on add-ons. And in here, you obviously will be able to create one or multiple different add-ons for different types of appointments. So just go and click on create add-on for the first one, and we can just go ahead and get started. So the first thing is going to be the name of the add-on. What are people going to be getting for this add-on? So for example, if you're you want to cut some hair, maybe you want to add the add-on as washing the hair. I'm not really sure what you're going to be adding with this, but you get the idea. So something extra to the actual normal appointment that they will be having. So just go ahead and add the name for it. In my case, I'm just going to do test because I can't really think of anything right now. And then we can also add the additional price. So we have the original price for the actual appointment, and this is going to be extra. So we would want to add, for example, $5 here. And then we can also add the additional duration to this. So how long is it actually going to take for the actual add-on? Let's say 10 minutes more than the original. And then we can also select the access. So whether clients are going to be able to book this or only admin. Most likely you're just going to go for the first option here. And then here, obviously available for, you would want to select the appointment type that you actually want this to be added to. So in my case, I'm just going to go for that one. And once that's done, you just want to click on create on the top right, and you're pretty much good to go. So whenever someone tries to book this one, in my case, they also will get the option to add that add-on to their booking or not. It's completely up to them. It's optional. And now let's just go ahead and move on to the coupon section. But obviously for add-ons, you can also feel free to create a completely different one from scratch again. You can keep on creating them if you want to. Now for coupons, obviously there are going to be discounts. So you can just go to coupons, click on new coupon for appointments. And you would want to start by adding a coupon code that clients will need to enter in order to get the code. So we can just do, for example, 123. And then here is going to be the discount, whether it's going to be by percentage or a fixed price. So it's completely up to you. In my case, I'm just going to go for percent discount, and let's just say it's 50% off. Just make sure you state that. And then we can also do this, which this can be used. Each customer can use this once, or you would want to select the total number of uses or unlimited uses if you also want to. I'm just going to keep it as each customer can use this once. And then we can also set up the code applies to any appointment type, or you would want to select specifics. So go ahead and select whichever one is going to work with you. And then we can also set up an expiration date. So after this specific date, this coupon is no longer going to be working. So we're in November 28th, so we can just go ahead and set up to be until December 5th. And then it's not going to work anymore. Click on save coupon, and you pretty much are good to go. You just want to obviously share this somehow and let people know that if people add this coupon code, which is 123, they're going to get a 50% discount. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.